Hey guys, so I just wanted to do a quick video and show you guys what I got for Mother's Day yesterday. I'm starting to prepare and plant my own seeds and stuff like that. But this one is basils. So let me so you guys can see. I should have recorded the seeds when I put it in, and I already watered it, and it needs to be outside in the sunlight. But this is so cute, and it says sweet basil. Really nice. So I'm actually gonna start planting my own stuff. I want to do avocado, I want to do tomatoes, uh, some more stuff, blueberries, raspberry, and all that stuff. But this is my first one, so I'm gonna try this out and see where this one goes. I need to put it out there because it's more sunlight. Let's see. All right, I'm gonna put it right here. And see where it goes. I don't know how long it will take for it to grow, but I'll do a quick video every other day and see where it is. All right, you guys. Don't forget to prepare, There's a lot of stuff going on with shortages and stuff like that. So just plant your own stuff in the backyard, or just start with this, something really small, and see where it goes. All right, you guys. Bye. I hope you guys enjoy the video.